get enough of succulents. They are literally my easiest to please house guests that I have ever had. Remember guys, if you think that you did not have a green thumb, you can absolutely have a green thumb when it comes to succulents because they are so low maintenance. They need very little water. They can survive in the driest of houses in the winter in particular. And all you need to do is water them once they have completely dried out. A little too much love, that's the only thing that can be bad for a succulent. The other thing that is so great, guys, is that we can actually do some decorating with succulents. I have this bird cage here that once was gorgeous with these succulents, but you can see it's gotten a little leggy. This is sort of trailing out, and it's kind of looking a little messy, so I do want to neaten this bird cage up. But in the meantime, I don't want to get rid of this beautiful succulent that's trailing over here. I can either dig it out and I can plant the roots into a cactus soil, or I can actually be really simple, take my little scissors, snip it off, and then I have this root, actually the stem. I'm going to take off some of these really fleshy succulent leaves, and then I have this really cute little moss birdhouse here that I found that I thought would be really darling to decorate with succulents. And this is how simple it is. Now I have no roots, guys, but this succulent piece could actually tuck right in to this moss birdhouse, and it could feasibly root itself into the moss, or it could actually just remain living for a very long time if you just occasionally missed it. So I just love this, and I think this is a darling little spring look with succulents. But you know, I really do want to make this bird cage look pretty, so stick with me as I do that.